Hello guys and welcome to Codeworking's C++ programming course. In this course I will teach you all about C++ from beginner to professional. Let's start with the course objectives. Learning objectives of this course is to get a proper understanding of C++ so that you can make your own code and become a master of C++. I will also give you a proper understanding of what OOP is, which stands for Object Oriented Programming. Then I will teach you how to debug your C++ code and fix all your mistakes and errors in the code, and because there always a time when there are errors in your C++ code, so I will help you know the ways how to debug them. So let's start with the C++ history. In the early 1980s, a Danish computer scientist Barn Stroustrup, he was experimenting with C programming language to support object-oriented programming, which led to the birth of C++ in 1983. So it was also known as C with classes, but as its popularity increased after years, C++ was standardized in 1998, becoming the language of choice for various industries including gaming, software development, finance and more. Over the years, C++ continued to evolve, embracing modern features and practices which each new standard. Despite facing challenges and competition, C++ remains a powerful and influential language in the ever-evolving world of programming. So basically, the C++ is very widely used and is still being used to make different programs and games. The plus in the C++ is because of the C++ stands for C, and the plus means that it has more features over the C language. It was basically made with a lot of features from C language. C language didn't have classes and all that, and that was added in C++ language. So that's why it's called C++. Before it was C with classes. Now, as we have learned, now it's C++, indicating that it has more features and more functionality than C programming language. So let's see a simple code which gives us the info of hello world. It projects the hello world onto the console. First we have the header, then we have the declaration, then the main function, and cout hello world. And here cout means console out, which basically it means that it would be shown over here, like the message console will be shown in the console. Console is basically a small window where your program runs. Because C++ code is compiled into a exe file. Sometimes if you want bat files, you cannot do that. So it basically the operating system opens it in a console. So in cout there is a function that makes it the whole word, maybe you can add a word or anything, come out on the console. And endl means end line. And basically ends the line, and anything after that will be written on the next line. There are 4 parts of C++ code. First, the header file, then global variables or global functions, class declaration, and main function. So header file is basically IO stream or all that. Those are the header files which contain all the functions of the which we are gonna use in the code, and the preprocessor directives are used to include these files into the code. And definition / declaration section is used to declare a namespace. Basically, the cout is a part of std, standard namespace. So we declare it over before the main function to show that anything in the whole code can use cout instead of just writing std again and again. We will learn about this later in the course, but don't worry about it. I'm just going over the basics right now. And then we have int main, which is the main function, then opening brace, closing brace. Every function in this C++ is enclosed by the opening and closing brace. Anything between those, between the opening and closing brace, will be executed. If it's anything is outside it, and like written anything like a name is written outside it, it won't run. It would just give us an error. And then we have return 0, which is the main function return value, and then the function definition section, which is under the main function, which we can just add more and more. So basically this is all about the basic stuff about the C++. And yeah, so basically that was C++. In the next lecture we will learn more about C++ and how you can make your own small code, but all about the programming, and how you can go around and make your own simple code and then execute it just for practice. So that is it for today, and I'll see you in the next video.